Hi there guys, GetCryptoCoin here, and today I'm doing a little tutorial on how to fix the Yiimp mine pool white screen of death. It's been quite a common question I've been asked on my channel and through my other socials, so I thought I'd just quickly throw up a video on how to fix it. Thankfully it's a really quick and easy fix as well. So I'm assuming you've already tried to install the miner pool and since you're checking out this problem. Personally, check out my links below where you can find the links to Contopo for a VPS server if you're looking to install a pool. But once you've installed the pool, I've had a few people bring up that when they then visit the website or the miner pool website, whether it's the front end or the back end, that they've just received a white screen. So there's no Google error. So this is the screen I'm talking about here, and you can see I'm on my own domain name, Beast Mining Pool. I've purposely done it for the sake of this video and done a fresh install knowing that it would come up with a white screen. So even if I refresh the page now, it's still going to show as a blank white screen. There's no pool showing. And the same if I was to go to my admin, it's not going to show anything there. Look, a completely blank white page. But like I say, really easy fix. Just one line of code which I've prepared on here. Obviously I'll put that code down in the description box underneath this video. So all you need to do is simply copy this piece of code, log in to your VPS via PuTTY, and basically paste this code once you've logged in to your own VPS. So to do that, we'll just minimize this again. So like I say, we've still got our blank white pages, no Yiimp pool is showing. So what we'll do is we'll now log into our VPS. Once we're in, you should be presented with a similar looking screen, especially if you're using Contopo. And basically what we do is we now copy this piece of code. Again, I'll put it in the description box underneath this video, and simply right click to paste it in. Now click enter. Just wait for it to run through the packages. And there, done. Literally less than 10 seconds, 15 seconds, wasn't it? So we now jump back across to our website, refresh the page. Bingo, we're in. Refresh the admin again, and we're in there. So that was a nice, really quick, easy fix with just one line of code, and that's how you fix the white screen of death on a Yiimp mining pool after a fresh, brand new install. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, really appreciate it if you could give us a like, smash the old subscribe button, and hit the old notification bell, because I'm now preparing a couple of videos on how to install various coins or wallets onto the Yiimp mining pool. So yeah, looking forward to getting a few of those videos up. So I know a few of you have been patient and asking. So yeah, really appreciate it if you could smash the old subscribe button, hit the bell, and like and obviously comment below as well if you've got anything else that you want to see on here. Alright, all the best. Nice one again for checking the video out. Take care.